Okay, so judges, this is our smart irrigation system, which consists of two parts, the hardware part and the software part. So let me introduce you to the hardware part. So in the hardware part, it consists of an Arduino Uno, a relay module, a Bluetooth module, a battery, a soil sensor, and a motor. Let me introduce you to the dashboard. So the first section is of Arduino control section, in which it is showing that the soil sensor is on or off, the pump status which is on or off, operating mode, and the need of water. The second section is ML prediction. So it is based upon the weather. So we have also integrated it. Moving to the next section, which is local crops, which has been harvested in South Sikkim, Zorathan. Okay, so these crops are rice, paddy, maize, ginger, and we are going to add few more. So this is our dashboard, which is a real time, as I can show you that the sensor is dipped in the water. That is why it is showing wet. As I can show you, it has been dipped in the water. This is why it is showing that it is wet. Arduino Uno is connected to our laptop, which will show you the dashboard, and the soil sensor is dipped in the water. Okay, so I have dipped the soil sensor in the water, and it is showing that the soil sensor is wet right now and the relay is off. And our dashboard is also showing this, that the soil sensor is wet, the pump status is off, and the operating mode is auto, and no need to turn the pump. And let me show you the connections also. It's working. Okay, so the soil sensor is dipped in the water right now and the pump is off. As I remove the soil sensor, the pump is on right now, as you can hear. Okay, so I dipped it again in the water and the pump is off right now. Okay, so showing you the manual mode in our dashboard, how we are controlling the motor manually in case the soil sensor malfunctions, to prevent the excess use of water. So we can also control it manually through the dashboard or a mobile application. So switching it to the manual mode. Okay, so as we have switched to the manual mode, it is showing that the soil sensor is wet, as I have dipped this in the water. So it is showing wet and the pump status is off. So yeah, the pump status is off, it is not working. You can check the relay. Okay, so as we are turning the pump on manually, so we have turned on the pump manually. It is spinning right now. Okay, you can check the relay. Yeah. Okay, so we are turning it off. So we have turned it off. Okay, so I'm giving you an example with the sand right now. The sand is dry and we also have water. So let me dip this in the sand. Okay, so as I dip this in the sand, it is dry right now. The sand is dry right now. As I pour some water in the sand, it will turn wet. Okay, so I poured some water in the sand. It is wet right now, and it is also showing in the hardware part. The pump is not working. The relay is showing that the pump is off, and the dashboard is also showing that the soil sensor is wet right now. The pump status is off, and there is no need to turn the pump on. Okay.